you're ready to go.
Jean and Paul, my earliest memory, or my most vivid memory of our young days together at PDS, were when we all went out to Paul's house, his farm in Lambertville, for a wild night of drinking. Who knows where the parents were, but Jeannie got so drunk that we all had to take her clothes off and put her in a shower to give her a cold shower. And I just remember her naked as a jaybird, slipping around. She was really, really out of it, poor thing. We then put her in her car and drove her and us home, and she kept throwing up all the way home. But it was a great time. We had a great time. The other thing I want to say is that Paul, when he came to PDS in 11th grade, all the girls had crushes on him, but Jeannie was the one for him, and he never looked back, and thank God for that. Also, I have known Jean since middle school, high school. I lived next door to her at Trinity College, had wonderful memories always of, and she was just the best friend you could ever hope for, and I'm still in touch with her today, and that isn't even describing how much I love her, and Paul too, and how much they mean to me. And finally, I'm going to end with this. My children think that the Funks are the coolest of all of my friends. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. I love you both.